Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with Patrol EV, and right over here we have what looks like to be a very plain, standard white Tesla Model 3, but actually it's a lot more than that. This is our brand new stealth package that was made for the Chief of Police in Arroyo Grande, and check this out. So as you can see, we have upfitted this Model 3 with a lot of specific requests from the Chief, starting off with our front interior light bars. As you can see, they're in action right now. Also, there are rear lights per his request and equipped with specific siren tones, pre-programmed and controlled from inside the Tesla. As you can see, the interior of the Model 3 is really nice, and we kept it that way. That's what the Chief wanted. And as you can see, here's the Wayland controller for the sirens as well as for lighting. Now, while all of this sounds pretty standard and basic, just some lighting and a siren, it's actually not. Everything is powered separately from the 12-volt system of the Tesla with Patrol EV's exclusive power supply unit, which is installed in the vehicle. So we're not taking away from the limitations of the 12-volt system that's inherent in the Model 3. And as a matter of fact, even if the Model 3 complete battery system is in a sleep mode, where the vehicle is actually not awake, you could still power all of the functions per the Chief's request without having to wake up or turn on the car. And as I make my way around the side of the vehicle, you notice that it is heavily tinted, which is also part of the request, so we do offer those services. You've got some additional lighting here on the rear quarter panel. And then when I open up the trunk, take a look at this lockable gun safe that was installed right here. It's got a specific code. You just go ahead and put in your code, and then, as you can see, it easily opens up so you can have access to firearms or anything that the Chief may want to keep locked up inside. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see some more Patrol EV upfitting.